How to change the delivery address on Uber Eats. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to update your address on Uber Eats app, here is how you can do it. First of all, update your application itself. For this, head over to Play Store or App Store, search for the app and tap on update button if available. After that, launch the app by tapping on the open button and log in using your credentials or Gmail account. Once logged in, you should check on the top left corner of the app. This is the address that you have currently set up as the delivery address. Tap on the drop down menu and it will open another page. Now, if you want to make slight changes on your saved address, tap on this pencil icon just beside it. And then you can choose the building type, you can choose the flat, suite, or floor, you can give the business or building name, and choose the drop off option. It could be either meet at the door, meet outside, or meet at reception. Or you can even select leave at the door, save and continue to save the address. Likewise, if you want to entirely change the address, tap on the search icon and then write in the address of the new location. Choose your building type, give the additional details, and select the drop off options. Once all of this is done, you can update and save and continue the address. If you go back to the main page, you will see the address has been changed. That's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.